Introducing Hirose's HR34P series, a breakthrough in blind mate connectivity. Designed for space-saving efficiency and unrivaled reliability, it's perfect for modern, high-demand applications. Some of the exceptional attributes of the HR34P series include an efficient assembly facilitated by a blind mate connection, optimizing production processes. The HR34P series supports a current of 3 amps, plus or minus 0.5 millimeters floating design in X and Y directions ensures easy and accurate mating. Designed for durability, including resistance to challenging environmental conditions. The HR34P can handle voltages up to 200 volts AC and 250 volts DC. A keyed housing feature safeguards against incorrect mating, promoting secure connections. Small in size but big on performance, suitable for a broad spectrum of applications. And it operates reliably in temperatures ranging from -40 to 105 degrees Celsius. Engineered for environments where precise, robust, and reliable connections are paramount, such as in industrial machinery and medical equipment, the HR34P series stands out for its versatility and reliability. Stay ahead of the curve with the HR34P series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.